Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by calibrating and warming up so the app reads you accurately. First, allow the microphone test and aim for input around -12 to -6 dB. This prevents clipping. Once done, do a 5 to 7 minute warm-up. Lip trills, sirens, and gentle humming will reveal comfortable pitches. Make sure to pick the app's guided pitch test mode and choose a range that feels easy, not strained. This gets baseline data. The app needs to estimate your voice type reliably. You now map your true singing range with controlled exercises so the app can classify belt versus mix. Start ascending and descending scales, stepwise, until you reach the lowest and highest notes you can sing comfortably. Repeat each note twice and stop before any strain. Once done, note the location of any vocal breakpoints and upload recordings. Then, make sure to use the app's automatic pitch map and adjust notes by ear where the app misreads breathy or speechy tones. You finish by confirming the app's suggested voice type against your tessitura because the how and why matter. The app uses peak comfort, not extremes. Sing a set of songs in different styles, classical and contemporary, and run genre tests to see which classification fits. If results vary or notes seem off, recalibrate the microphone, redo warm-ups, and repeat range mapping. This fixes common errors from background noise or mic clipping. With consistent data, you'll have a reliable voice type.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.